set you back. If something sets you back, it costs you something. We use set you back to tell someone how much something cost us. If a car set you back $1,000, it cost you $1,000. If a coffee set you back $3, it cost you $3. If rent costs $900 a month, it sets you back $900 a month. We change the you for him, her, me, or anybody to make this grammatically correct. For example, car repairs set me back $800. Flour and rice for the next month. Don't be such a cheapskate. It will only set you back $5. We're asking you to buy a present for your mother. Oh man, these glasses really set me back. They cost a whole 25 cents. What a deal. They did not set me back a lot at all. Do you like my helmet? I paid $2,000 for this helmet. It set me back $2,000. I have a problem where I am really clumsy and I fall a lot. So I had to buy the most expensive helmet there is. This helmet set me back $2,000. I'm going on holidays next month. The plane ticket set me back $750. I don't care. I'm going on holidays. $200, $250, $35 for... Whoa. Those escorts really set us back. We paid $12,000 for one night. Oh, the board are not going to be happy. Rent sets me back about $900 a month. You see these eyes? These eyes set me back $2,000. I got laser surgery. Money well spent, worth every penny. A plane ticket to Europe will set you back a large amount. I need to get my teeth done. It's gonna set me back at least $5,000. So, overall, when something sets you back, it cost you something. If you want to say how much you spent on something, you can say, this set me back $5. So, what is the last thing you bought and how much did it set you back? To make a killing. If you make a killing, you make a lot of money. You can make a killing at work with your job. You can make a killing on a game if you gamble. You can also make a killing on a deal. We use the verb make in the past, present, or future tense. For example, I made a killing yesterday. Tomorrow I will make a killing, or I have been making a killing for the last 6 months. So, to make a killing is to make a lot of money. And here are some more examples. I bet $20 on the sports game and I won $200. I made a killing on the sports game. A server does not make a lot of money per hour, but they make a killing in tips. I was making a killing at my last job, but I wasn't happy. I was miserable. So I moved to the coast. I don't make a killing out here, but I am very happy. My neighbor must make a killing. I swear she's a drug dealer. She just got another swimming pool in her yard. Who needs 2 swimming pools? She must make a killing. John made a killing on his car. He bought the car for $600. He fixed it up. He gave it a new paint job, and then he sold it for $1,200. He made a killing on that car. I worked 12 hours last Saturday. I made a killing in tips. My neighbor made a killing on the stock market. He just bought a Tesla. He bet his house on the Raptors to win the basketball championship. If he wins, he'll make a killing. But if he loses, he'll be homeless. Even though I don't make a killing, I really enjoy my job. I'm actually working for the holidays, but it's okay. I get paid double time. I am making a killing these holidays. John sold his house. He must have made an absolute killing. He just bought a Tesla and a helicopter. If you want to make a killing, don't become an English teacher. Become a doctor or drug dealer. Overall, if you make a killing, you make a lot of money. You can make a killing at work, you can make a killing on a game, or you can make a killing with a deal. So, when is the last time that you made a killing?